so frustrating to turn this thing by hand. I mean, it's ridiculous. Even the brand new ones. The DIY tool that we have is broken, so I can turn it by hand, but it's so hard to do. So I'm gonna go fix the tool. This is a really simple DIY valve shutoff key. If you like fixing stuff, you'll enjoy homesteading. It helps to give yourself a lot of grace and to just go for it. There's a million ways to do it. Find the way you like and fix it that way. This is the well house. Oh, I thought the guineas were out there. Quiet on the set. This is the shut off to the herd. So we've got this feeding the stock tanks all the way down the driveway. But these red shutoffs are kind of hard to turn. There's this fancy tool. It's just PVC pipe. You cut a notch in. So you saw the valve in the well house. You can buy a water key to turn off like public water. You just lift up where your meter's at and you can use this key with handles like this to turn it off and on if you have a pipe break in your house or something. But I don't think they make one for those big red valves. This is just a DIY valve key. It got brittle and broke. So all it is going to be two little notches like this, one here and one on this side. So I'm just going to square this, cut some notches. This is just some PVC pipe, leftover copper handle. You could use rebar or whatever, just scraps. Really doesn't matter the length. This is how long the piece was when it was made. So I am going to shorten it just a little bit. I'm going to keep this intact. I'll use it kind of as a template. The gazillion ways to cut this. I don't know which method I'm going to use. We'll decide. But anyway, I'm going to make my marks. So this is the old key. And this was my old line right here. Whoa. I'm going to grab a marker. It'll just be easier than penciling. Usually keep a big one right there. Must have used it putting together this chaos. I've seen some guys or listen to podcasts and like, don't worry about cleaning your shop. It's going to get messy anyway, but I can't work in this today. It's getting clean. And I'm just making my mark. And then here's my other edge right here. This is a piece that broke off. Pretty sure this is a 1/2 inch. I just want to measure to make sure I got the right size. 1/2 inch. Just curious how deep I made it. About 5/8. Oh, there's probably a wolf spider in there waiting to eat my hand. And this doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just going to eyeball it. Cut that out on both sides. Doom, doom, doom. And this is a really handy tool that has a Allen wrench here for changing it. And it stinks when that's not in there. Ooh, maybe that'll work. Yeah. Okay, found a replacement. That's the worst. Have the right tool right on the tool, but it's not there. I fried this blade cutting through some trim that had big spikes in it. So it would be really frustrating to use this blade. And it's PVC, it probably would cut, burn through it. Always so much to do on the Homestead. Something that needs to be fixed. Winterized, shut down, opened up. Fun though, I enjoy it. Fix something, replace something, get something new that's alive. Yeah, let's go try it out. That's it right there. Simple valve key. I like it. So here's how it works. These little, just go right over that. Look at that. I like to draw my valves, arrows. I mean, it's pretty obvious what's on, what's off, but I know counterclockwise is on, clockwise is off. On is this way. So let's turn it on. Okay, now it's on. Now it's off. Look at how easy that was. It's a little piece of PVC pipe. Hope it helps. If it helps, use it. If you want more Homestead videos, like us, subscribe, you know the drill. If you want to know how to resaw this safely, right down the middle, check out the video. Check out the video. Check out the video. Ooh, wasps. Man, there's always something to kill, too. Those are nasto. If you want more You want Carl to squawk at you. Carl! Hey, we're videoing, buddy. Smash into him. Here, watch this. Get him, Murph. Get him. Get the guineas. Quiet. Boys.
Oh, now she's going to get him. Now she's coming.